Okay, so let's get started now. Okay, so we have finally come to the end of the session. And in the last batch, so when I completed the batch A, we felt so bad because we thought we might not have the session again. So we felt so bad, but we are the luckiest batch, correct? So we are going to have the advanced course shortly, correct, ma'am? So as soon we complete the basic level course, in just 2 to 3 days, we are going to start the basic level course. So we don't have to worry about it, but we should feel pride of completing the basic level course. And one more thing, I have told you something during the introduction of the session. I told you batch A has created many curious and many creative videos, and I always asked you to create more interesting videos than the previous batch, correct, ma'am? And I asked you a question, can you make it more than that of the previous batch videos? I asked you. What did we reply, everybody? What did we reply? Okay, ma'am. So actually, I told you to create more interesting videos than that of the previous batch videos. Correct, ma'am? So I told you, can we make it possible? So what did we reply?
Yes, I can.
It's possible, sir.
Very good.
We can do it.
So exactly. Yes, we said we could make it possible. Right?
I can do it.
This is what happened. Exactly, ma'am. So as we said, we made it. We should honestly say that, because the previous batch, I could conduct only 2 activities because we were concentrating on the conversation, only the classes. Okay, but yes, I wanted to conduct only 2 activities for our batch too. But you know what? You were so active during the activities, conducting the activities. Even your children were so curious to attend these activities. Correct. So that is what, ma'am, I was literally impressed of seeing those videos. Not only I, but also everybody felt really proud of you, really great. And the felicitation has been expressed in the group. Am I correct, ma'am? So we have been expressing our felicitation in the group, correct? And one more thing. So I told you already. So some of you are only mothers. Most of you are teachers, correct? So mostly we are teachers. Even the platform, the place where we learn English is important, correct? So being a teacher, we must speak English. So apart from a teacher, we are also mothers, correct, ma'am? So 70% of us teachers are 30% non-teachers are king, but everyone is a mother, correct? So டீச்சரா இல்லைனாலும் நம்ம ஒரு மதரா நம்ம ஒரு குழந்தைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியும், நம்ம இங்கிலீஷ் கத்துக்கிற மூலியமா அவங்கள நம்ம எப்படி இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ண முடியும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணோம். அதையே மைண்ட் செட்டா வச்சு மோட்டோவா வச்சு நம்ம லேர்ன் பண்ணோம். ஈவன் 99% ஆஃப் பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் இம்ப்ரூவ்ட் அ லாட். ஓகே, ஸோ ஈவன் ஒரு சிலர் வந்துட்டு கண்டென்ட்டா இல்லாம இருக்கும், ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ இன்னும் லேர்ன் பண்ணியிருந்திருக்கலாம். ஸோ அந்த கண்டென்ட் இல்ல அப்படிங்கும் போதுதான் நம்மளோட எக்ஸ்பெக்டேஷன் அதிகமா இருக்கும், சரிங்களா? ஸோ நேத்து நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணதை வச்சும் உங்களோட ஃபைனல் அசஸ்மெண்டோட டிஸ்கஷனை வச்சும் ஒரு அட்வான்ஸ்டு லெவல் கோர்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கணும், ஒரு அட்வான்ஸ் லெவல் கோர்ஸ் எந்த மாதிரி ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ல இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு என்னால ஒரு கெஸ் பண்ண முடிஞ்சு, சரிங்களா? And one more thing, I want to thank everybody for answering each and every single question actively. Really great, man. And one more thing, significantly, I tell you 2 names. Okay, so first name is Divya ma'am, and second name is Nivetha ma'am. Okay, so the others are actively responding. Others could get the fluency, and Divya ma'am, Nivetha ma'am. So these two names are significant, I would say. ஏன் அப்படியே சொல்றேன்னா, இந்த ரெண்டு பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸும் ஒரு ட்ரீம்ல இருக்காங்க. ஓகேங்களா? சோ கண்டிப்பா பேசணும், அந்த ஒரு கோல், அந்த ஒரு ஃபோர்ஸ் நம்ம பார்க்க முடியும். கரெக்ட்டுங்களா? So they are really actively participating. Really, I want to hardly thank the two participants. Okay. So even they do not speak English properly, they try hard. Correct, ma'am? So actually, Divya ma'am, Nivetha ma'am. So actually, அந்த நேம் நான் பேரண்டா சொல்றேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு தவறா எடுத்துக்க வேண்டாம். சரிங்களா? So Divya ma'am, Nivetha ma'am வந்துட்டு முதல்ல இருந்ததுக்கு இப்போ 90% improve ஆயிட்டாங்க. Really. So don't you agree, everybody?
Yes, sir.
We are agreeing, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I agree, sir.
I hardly congratulate Divya ma'am and Nivetha ma'am, and you improved a lot. Okay, ma'am. So you trusted on yourself. You first thank yourself. Okay, ma'am. Both of you. You thank
Yes, sir.
yourself.
Yes, sir.
Then you thank us. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. And one more thing. So not only Divya ma'am and Nivetha ma'am, but also every single participant of you
All are super, sir.
has improved a lot. Correct, ma'am. Really.
Thank
You
you.
know,
Yes, sir.
Nivetha
Yes, sir.
ma'am, so Nitya ma'am, Revati ma'am, so Janaki ma'am. So Janaki ma'am has started participating in the course in the middle, correct? But she got everything whatever I was trying to tell, correct? But she could get everything clearly.
Sorry, sir.
And she was not in the, pardon ma'am?
I think I missed a lot because of latecomers.
Yes, no issues, ma'am. You know what? That is what I'm telling you. Okay. So though you joined the session in the middle, you got everything. Whatever I wanted, whatever I expected, I got from you. That's what, ma'am. Really appreciated. I feel really content of teaching here. Really. And one more thing. So now I'm talking whatever we discussed in the previous sessions, right? Okay. So and one more thing. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமான விஷயம் என்னன்னு கேட்டா, நான் சொல்லியிருந்தேன், நான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு டீச் பண்ணல. கரெக்டுங்களா? So I'm not teaching, you are not listening to me, but we are sharing our knowledge. Correct? So I teach whatever I know, and you teach whatever you know. We learn from one another. Correct? Because most of you are teachers. Correct, ma'am? So thank you for being so supportive and so active in the classroom. Okay, so I'm so glad of you. I'm really proud of you. Thank you so much. And one by one, you are going to express your thoughts, and you are going to express your pros and cons of our classes. Okay, if you expected something, if you missed it, you just explain it. Okay, ma'am? So you know it happens, correct? So you might have expected something from us, you missed it, correct? If you missed anything like that, you just tell me. Okay, I will try to add it in the advanced level course. Okay, ma'am? Definitely we will make it possible. Okay. Yes, who wants to share your opinion first?
I am Sir Nivetha.
Great, ma'am. Great. Okay, so when you express your opinion, please turn on your video. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Hello,
Yes.
everyone. How are you, sisters?
Fine, sister. What about you?
Fine. How are you, sir?
Yes, ma'am, I'm great.
This is my first activity in school level spoken English course. It is one of the most important opportunity. I use that. I am going on to another one class of online B.Ed course. Last week, my principal's madam are called for some quiz program. So tell me, but quiz time is over up. Then I call you, my ma'am. Simultaneously, I'll tell you Tamil, but I speak in some words in English to competition. Not times up, so don't be so. So my principal ma'am is I'm sorry, I don't consider the time. The next time I'm correct time send the link, so talk me. That time I really appreciate myself, confident to say English, writer and speak only. Thank you, sir. Thank you, management. Thank you so much.
Great, ma'am. Great. So well said, everybody. Really, ma'am. Nitya, ma'am. Sorry, Nivetha, ma'am. You did a great job. And you know, I told you already, Nivetha, ma'am, tries to speak English at every single situation. That's what, ma'am. That's what ma'am could learn pretty much. Correct? Thank you so much. Okay. Next. Arun Chitra, ma'am.
Very wonderful session. I learn a lot, even though I'm a graduate, but speaking to others in English is very much tough for me. But nowadays, I felt confident and happy to speak. To my children also, I started to speak in English in my teaching. So helping to solve the problems or explain the concepts, I use English. The only thing is, can you explain the worksheet regularly? It will be very helpful for us. I don't know whether I spot the error or I correctly written the question. I don't know about the other thing. So can you please explain the worksheets? That will be helpful for us. Thank you, sir.
Sure, sure. Yes, thank you so much for expressing your opinion. Thank you so much, ma'am. Great. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, next
Thank you.
person, Divya, ma'am.
Hi, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for this opportunity, sir. I really very happy, sir. This class very useful for me and my daughter also, sir. I improve myself, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great, ma'am. Great, ma'am. So actually, all credit goes to our management for organizing such an excellent
Yeah.
opportunity to learn English. Okay, and one more thing, ma'am. So this is not only for Mount Litra Z School students' parents, correct, ma'am? So it is actually provided for each parent, even whose children are studying in the different schools. That's what the plus thing, correct? Yeah, ma'am. Great, ma'am. Great. Super. Yeah, next person. Yeah, Janaki, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everybody. It's the last day of.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I thank school management for giving this wonderful opportunity for the women like me who are sitting alone, what to do, how to improve without knowing that we our household activities. But by this school management, we learned a lot. Definitely, this course will be a useful one in our future. Next, about our trainer, Gopi sir. He has done a one-man Orvin job here. Such a nice person. He takes the class in a natural way. By his way of teaching, he connects the learners very well. We have to be attentive in his class because he often calls the names of the participant to ask questions. So we have to be active in this class. So he make us very comfortable also by showing the concern with us. So thank you, Gopi sir, for that. And
It's
at
my
last,
pleasure, ma'am.
about my online classmates. We 10 participants, 10 women, we really very eagerly participated in this course. What I think it is a normal classroom. Children don't know the value of the classroom, but we 10 women really valued this classroom very well. I think this I think Gopi sir will be proud of ourselves getting the good students like us.
Exactly, ma'am. Exactly.
Is it true, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Obviously true, ma'am.
So happy that we proud ourselves as a good students of yours. Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
I already told you, ma'am. So you made me stand in the seventh heaven. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. And one more
Thank-
thing. So I told you, ma'am, you are not a student and I am not a teacher. We are just sharing our knowledge one another. Correct, ma'am? So
Yes,
we
sir.
are sharing our knowledge one another. That is what, ma'am. Really great job. And you have been a great supporter, ma'am. Thank you so much. And please keep talking English with your children. That is what all we need. Correct, ma'am?
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am. Well said. Well said. Thank you so much, Janaki, ma'am. Yes, the next person, Menaka, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. So
Good
first of
afternoon.
all, thank you for your coaching and teaching, sir. When I was working in private school, the students are not ready to speak in English, sir. Not only students, our staff members also not speaking English, ready to speak in English, sir. That time I thought, why we couldn't speak in English? Maybe first of all, we didn't know the English, and second thought, we hadn't ready to speak in English. We didn't take effort, but now I am ready for everything, sir. That full
Great, great.
credit goes to you, sir. Mm.
Thank you. Thank you
Teachers
so
are
much.
teachers are second parents are second teachers alone, sir. So your school has taken good decisions, sir.
Really,
Your
really.
mother is the one who tell all the things to the children. So you have decided to educate the mother. I really appreciate our Mount Literacy School, sir. Our school only most different from other school. You are create more learners, sir.
Yes,
You are
ma'am,
not
yes.
choose the learners from your school parents only, sir. You also have the opportunity to other parents, sir. Other
Exactly.
parents only, all parents. Nowadays, mostly all schools are money mind only, sir. But our school, Mount Literacy only take the care of others. Don't mind about money. You have taken free training classes for us, sir. Even though
Yes,
you
ma'am.
don't know who we are. யாருன்னு கூட உங்களுக்கு தெரியாதுங்க, sir. It was really amazing,
yes.
sir. I really thankful you and your school, sir.
Thank you so much. ma'am.
Finally, உங்கள் சேவை எங்களுக்கு தேவைங்க, sir.
Such a great word. Finally, you have wind up with the great word, right, ma'am? So, and one more thing. Yes. And Manaka ma'am has told a golden word, correct, ma'am? So, our school gets always, the school provides free education to each parent whose children are studying in the different school as well in our school, correct, ma'am? So that is what the most important thing, correct, ma'am? So this thing shouldn't be stopped from ourselves, correct, ma'am?
Yes.
So you can also introduce our course to the others whose children are learning in the different schools. Okay, so the students, the parents whose children are studying in Mount Litra school can attend the class anytime they want, correct? But from the different schools, they get
Yes,
once
sir.
in a blue moon this kind of opportunity, correct? They do not get such kind of opportunities frequently, correct? They get once in a blue moon, correct, ma'am? So they shouldn't
sir.
waste the time. They must use the opportunity to learn something, correct? Thank you
Yes,
so
sir.
much, ma'am. Great, well said, ma'am. Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
The next person, Shanti, ma'am.
I agree with the Madam opinion, sir. Thank you so much for everyone. I was completing this 30 days course. I had felt very improved myself. Honestly, I said I felt very happy to study this course. I had taken from you how to teach with the kids. and innovatively. You had always smiled on your face, but I had a very strict teacher in my class. I had attended that course. Now I think I will be I will liberate to move the kids. Thank you so much, sir, for everything is done for us. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
ma'am. Thank you so much. So it shouldn't stop here. We have more to do. Okay, ma'am. So we have a lot to do. So we will make everything possible in the advanced course. Okay, ma'am. So hoping for the most interesting sessions and more innovative topics. Yes, let's see in the advanced course. Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Who is going to start name next? Okay, Nitya, ma'am. Yes, Nitya, ma'am. Please, you may start sharing your opinion.
Sir, I thank for Dhanlakshmi ma'am, sir, because she told
Ma'am,
to
can
join
you
in.
please turn on the, yes, ma'am. Can you please turn on the video, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am, please.
Sir, I thank Dhanlakshmi ma'am, sir. She told to join in this group, sir.
Great, ma'am, great. Thank you, Dhanalakshmi, ma'am, for inviting her to join our course. Okay, ma'am, great, great.
This is wonderful class, sir. The activity is useful to for all.
Great, ma'am, great.
You
So,
take
you
the
started
class
which
only,
lesson?
to carrying the person, can you understand and then go to the next topic, sir.
Yeah, ma'am, yes.
I believe I will speak in English in future, sir.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Not only in future, you are speaking a good English, right?
Yes, sir.
You have a great language. You speak good English, correct, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You would say, I will speak more confident. Correct. So I will speak more confidently. Okay, you say that. Okay, ma'am. Great, ma'am. Great. Well said, Nitya, ma'am. Okay. So the next person who would like to be, yeah, the one and only Ruby, ma'am. Okay, Ruby, ma'am. Please turn on the
Sir.
video.
Okay, sir. Sir.
Yes,
Hello,
ma'am, you may
everyone.
start.
Hello,
Hello,
ma'am.
everyone.
Hello, ma'am.
It is my pleasure. I am Carmel Ruby. I hope received the best time to express my opinion. This course is really amazing. It is very useful to us. It is very enthusiastic in this class. The instructor gives me an important information, which I didn't heard before. I am very glad to this. Then it is very easy to understand and practical. In every day, I had learned more and more. I have learned more and more, and it helps to me improve my speaking a lot. I liked and enjoyed the journey to learning in these 4 weeks. The instructor is very clear and taught very interestingly. Sir, I started talking English with my daughter, sir, nowadays.
Great, ma'am. Great. Really,
Thank
great,
you
ma'am.
so much, sir. Thank you so much. And the management also, thank you, sir.
So,
Thank you,
ma'am
sir.
said, right? At last, I started speaking English with my daughters, correct?
Daughter.
Really great, ma'am. So, what all we need, correct? Yeah, Revati, ma'am. Now you may please start.
Yes, sir. I really thank to your management, sir, Mount Literacy School, and Gopi, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
This class is very useful to me, sir. It's helped to improve my English knowledge, sir. Nowadays, I am no fear to talk in English, sir. With my family members, sir. At least 1 hour I spend to talk in English, sir. Today,
Excellent.
I also encourage my friends to join this class, sir. Now my thinking is also full of English, sir. I am
Wow.
sitting this, sir. Thank you, management, sir. And
Excellent.
for past the lockdown, sir, my March month, I am fully spend my time to my home family members, sir. But the past 30 days only, I'm spend at least 1 hour for me, sir. It's really proud to me, sir. And
Really,
now I
really.
am also, my nephews also told, Chitti, you are also speaking in English, Chitti. It's super, Chitti.
Wow, wow,
So
great,
super.
man, great, great.
My learning is really complete, sir. But now past 30 days, I am just learning. எப்படி சொல்றதில்ல ஃபினிஷே ஆயிடுச்சு நினைச்சேன் நம்ம லேர்னிங் எல்லாம் இப்ப ஏதோ கண்டினியூ ஆகுது ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ்
Correct, man,
சார்
correct.
ரியலி இன் மை
Excellent, excellent.
எஸ் சார்
Super.
சார்
So great effort you have
Now I
given. Really, man.
have faith in this, sir. Yes, sir.
Great.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your management. Okay, sir.
Yes, thank you so much, ma'am. Really proud of you, ma'am. Actually, every mother, so every mother doesn't care of herself, correct? But she cares everybody who is in the home, correct? But actually, Revati ma'am told she has been spending time during the lockdown for the family members and caring others, correct? But she has never spent a minute time for herself, correct? But actually, she felt it, correct? She agreed it. Every single day, I spend 1 hour to speak English. I spend 1 hour to learn English during our online class. And she spent time for herself to learn, to improve herself. Correct, ma'am? So literally, after hearing that, I felt really proud, ma'am. And you know, really, I cannot express anything more than that. I stop my words with the misty eyes. Thank you so much, Revati ma'am. Really great work you have given. Okay. Yes, Dhanalakshmi ma'am.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes. Good evening, ma'am.
everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
This course was very useful for us, sir, because when I started this course, I didn't know the grammar part very well. But now I learned very well, sir. Especially 5 steps of learning is the best one, sir, because it was very easy to learn the tenses. Tenses is also known as tension, but now I learned very well. And then it is very helpful for the competitive exams also, sir.
Tension relief.
Okay, so tensions do not give
Really?
tension, correct? Hereafter. Okay, great, great.
Golden opportunity, sir. I really proud of the Mount Literacy Senior Secondary School for free spoken English class, because nowadays all schools are money minded, sir. I agree with the Manika ma'am opinion, sir. But our school give golden opportunity to us, sir. And you taught very well, and you also giving confidence to for me, sir. Thank you
so much.
golden opportunity, sir.
Great, man. Great. Well said. Superb, ma'am. Dhanalakshmi, ma'am. And one more thing. So all of you, please turn on your videos. I'm going to take the group photo. Okay. So I'm taking the screenshot, and all of you, please turn on the video. Okay. So we are taking the group photo. Yes, Niveta, ma'am. Please turn on your video, ma'am. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you so much, all of you. Okay, great. And this video will be uploaded in our YouTube page also. Okay. We will share our video link in the group. Okay, Divya ma'am, please tell me, ma'am.
Sir, and
Okay, sir.
one more
Thank you.
thing, sir.
Yes, tell me, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am.
My child very active for video, sir. Conversation
Creating videos.
கான்வர்சேஷன்லாம் ஐடியா அவங்களாவே லைன்ஸ்லாம்
Own creation of any ideas.
Great, great, ma'am. Really great.
ஐடியா எனக்கு மேல ஆர்வமும் அவங்க தான் பண்றாங்க சார்.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Actually, I told you those are the keys to start talking English. Correct, ma'am. So really great. Actually, we don't want to conduct such kind of activities. We don't want to create it. Instead of that, I could have given you to read some newspapers or listen to the music videos or listen to the videos. I could have told you, but you know, all we need is our child to speak English. Correct. That is why the reason why I have introduced such kind of activities. Correct, ma'am. Okay. So now you tell me, everybody, which is the most interesting activity?
Nowadays, I watching the cooking videos only English oriented, sir. English type of cooking
Great.
videos I can see and hear. I can develop my knowledge.
Great, ma'am. Great. Super. So thank you so
Sir,
much.
first
And
video
one more
is
thing.
most interested, sir.
So
First
story
video.
narration.
Okay. Could you tell me the topic? Yeah, the story narration. Okay. Anybody else?
Story narration, sir.
Story narration.
The
Next.
telephone.
Sir, my opinion is my first activity.
First
That the
conversation
interaction with the
activity, right,
child
ma'am?
is the first activity. First impression is the best impression, sir.
Correct, ma'am.
Vegetable
Great.
cell.
That time we are
Yes.
very eagerly waiting for the video, taking video, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Really great. And one more thing, while doing the first activity, your children were the higher officials, correct? And you were the public members or students, correct? So that is what.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the key. So these kind of strategies. So these are our strategies, okay, that make our child to, you know, feel proud of speaking English. Okay. So if you make them as a superior thing, superior person, they feel proud of speaking English. Correct, ma'am? We have to
Yes, sir.
plant it in their hearts. Correct, ma'am? So let them automatically learn it. Correct? Great, ma'am. Great. And one more thing, I would honestly say that. So speaking English at home is not an easy thing. It's not a cup of tea. Correct? I already told you. So I kept telling this. Correct? So வீட்ல இங்கிலீஷ் பேசும்போது ரொம்ப ஈஸியா இருக்கும். So இந்த விஷயம் எல்லாம் நான் சொல்லியிருக்கலாம். But I know the feel. I know how hard that is. But I thank all of you, and I want every one of you to thank yourself to make it possible. Okay. So that is what, ma'am. Really great. And you made it, right? So I hope 90% of the participants have started speaking English at home, correct? And you know, you have to keep doing it for the forthcoming days. Okay. And we are going to have the more interactive and live sessions in the advanced level course. Okay, ma'am. And you know, after the completion of advanced level course, we will provide you a book. Okay, ma'am. The book contains worksheets. Okay, ma'am. So the day-wise worksheets. Okay. So you can also read the content and do the work for it. Okay, ma'am. So there is a column named worksheet day 1, day 2, day 3. So everything will be taught during the advanced course. Okay. So in the last 5 days or the last 10 days, I will start taking the usage of books. Okay. And I will tell you how to use it, how to do the works outs. Okay. Everything I will tell you. Then you will spontaneously do it. Okay, ma'am. So that is what. And thank you so much, everybody.
Sir, my daughter is also
valuable-
thanking you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes. You're most welcome, dear. Thank you, thank you. And one more thing. She is telling now. Okay. So may I start now? May I continue? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, dear. Okay. So next.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
When I start speaking, she speaks. When I be quiet, she doesn't talk. Good, good. May I start now?
So angry, sir.
Great. Great, man, great.
He had a milk, sir.
Okay. Okay. So thank you so much, everybody. Thank you for being so supportive. And hereafter, you should not stop talking English. Okay, ma'am. I wish every single person of you to be very successful in your future. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, all of you, and see you in the advanced course. Okay. So thank you, all of you, and you may leave the session one by one. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.